Hi, my name is Joe, and welcome to Medical Azul. Do you or a loved one suffer from urinary incontinence? Do you have trouble distinguishing the differences between disposable incontinence underpads? Don't worry, I got you covered. It's all about understanding the absorbency levels of incontinence underpads. Light absorbency, moderate absorbency, and ultra absorbency. And in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the features of disposable underpads, light absorbency. I want to show you how thin the matting is for light absorbency underpads. I wanted to place it right next to moderate absorbency and ultra absorbency. The reason why is just because I wanted to show you how thin they were and show you that there's not a lot of matting in it, and that's okay. A light absorbency is not supposed to absorb a lot of fluid. It's actually just supposed to be like a placement mat. So it has a blue backing like that, and they fold really nice and thin. There you go. Now that we have the underpad open, I just wanted to show you how light and transparent it is. If you notice, there's not a lot of matting, and that's okay. I would recommend these for patients who are independent and used for general purposes and wound care. If your patient or loved one is highly incontinent or bedridden, I would not recommend these. All right, now that we have a glass of water right here, now we're going to pour it out. Boom, like that. Let it soak up. And then we're going to get a paper towel. I'm going to flip it over. Boom, no streaks. No streaks. Nope, we're good. Good to go. Thank you for watching this video. You can find all these products at medicalazul.com, A-Z-U-L. If you like this video, please like the video. Also, subscribe to my channel on YouTube at Medical Azul, A-Z-U-L. Thank you so much, and ciao.